Run before the sale ends. The Lange Hairbrush Blow Jar is on sale right now, and it's not going to last long. I love this thing. If you have a bob like me, you definitely need one, and I'll tell you why here in just a second. But if you've never seen one of these, it blows hot air out like a blow jar, but then it's also a hairbrush, so you don't have to use your round brush and your blow jar at the same time, which quite frankly is exhausting. I love it because I hate when the back of my bob curls out on its own after I've curled it under, and this did not do that all day long. My bob was still curled under at the end of the day, and I love it for that reason. Absolutely love it. I can also run it through my hair after I've slept on it all night, and it looks like I woke up and really did something with it, when really I just kind of ran it through my hair real quick. Now, normally I do curl out the front of my hair with a curling iron to get my finished look, but here you go. Please don't miss this sale. It's so good.